Alright, Reaction TV Base nagbabalik. Reaction. Napakaganda po naman pag-uusapan natin ngayon mga ka-reaction. Mantagin po ninyo, akala ko po mga ka-reaction tapos na po si Stella Kimbo. Nako. Akala ko wala na pong Stella Kimbo. Nako. Meron pong kapalit si Stella Kimbo. Nagngangalan pong ano. Ito po mga ka-reaction. Kung naaalala po ninyo si Stella Kimbo, ay pinuno po niya ng letter Q. O pinuno nilang dalawang mag-asawa ng letter Q ang Marikina. Kahit saan ka umarap, sa simbahan may letter Q, sa sasakyan may letter Q, sa bakod may letter Q, sa mga barangay hall may letter Q, sa mga barangay health center may letter Q, sa mga noon ng mga taga Marikina may letter Q, sa hindi ko lang alam kung sa Bituka may letter Q din. Yan po mga ka-reaction ha, yan si Stella Kimbo. Meron pong bagong sikat ngayon. Ay, sumisikat po mga ka-reaction. Oh, ito po, papakita ko po sa inyo. Ayan oh. Yan oh. Construction of bypass road. Ayan po, Congressman Mika Swansing. Naku po, mga ka-reaction. At ipapakita ko po sa inyo mga ka-reaction sa video na ito. Talagang hindi po pwedeng mawala ang isang Stella Kimbo style sa Kongreso dahil hindi po magiging maganda ang takbo ng pagpapalakad po ni Tamba, no? Ayan po mga ka-reaction ang bagong Stella Kimbo sa pangalang Congresswoman Mika Swansing. Mga ka-reaction, mantagin ninyo, siya po ang pumalit kay Saldico. Oh! Chairman sa appropriation, isa sa pinakamakapangyarihang chairmanship diyan sa Kongreso ang nagbibigay ng kwarta o kahon. Ito mga ka-reaction, malupit po ito. Oo, ito. Papakita ko po sa inyo ha. Simple po ito ha. Tingnan niyo po magsalita. Ayan po mga ka-reaction, medyo ayan sisiguraduhin po, ng Kongreso, sisiguraduhin po, ng Kongreso na ang 6.793 trillion na budget ng ating bansa ay pakikinabangan ng lahat ng congressman. Lahat ng congresswoman, ganoon. Hindi, nakasulat po dyan, ating bansa ay pakikinabangan ng ating mga kababayan. Ako po mga ka-reaction, malupit pa po ito kay Stella Kimbo. Pero, meron po silang pagkakapareho. Ito po mga ka-reaction, umpisahan po natin dito.
Sumunod, sino po ang mga miyembro ng small committee at paano sila pinili?
Bago natin ituloy yan mga ka-reaction magbalik tanaw muna tayo sa style ni Stella Kimbo ha. Huwag po kayong maiinip dahil medyo maganda po itong pag-uusapan natin ito. Babalikan po natin ang style ni Stella Kimbo tapos pag-uusapan po natin si Congresswoman Swansing. O diba Swansing ito po?
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, I move that we recognize the Honorable Bernadette B.H. Herrera.
Dito po mga ka-reaction, isa lamang itong halimbawa na si Congresswoman Swansing ang kumakatawan ngayon sa papel ni Stella Kimbo. Ito po mga ka-reaction, si Stella Kimbo muna ito yung style ni Stella Kimbo.
Of the party list BH for her interpellation.
The Honorable Bernadette B.H. Herrera is recognized for interpellation.
Excuse me. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Magandang umaga po or tanghali na pala. Madam Sponsor, my first question is with regards to the status of contract of service and job contract since DBCC naman ito dun sa special provision. Madam Sponsor, yung regarding din sa inquiry ko before on solo parents, because on our law, sabi, they are entitled. Kahit job contract sila, job order or contract of service sila, they are entitled to the 7-day leave. So I think this is an opportunity. Pwede bang isama natin sa special provision para i-clarify sa lahat ng agencies that they are qualified for the parental leave of 7 days.
Dito po mga ka-reaction, babalatan po ni former Congresswoman Bernadette Herrera itong si Kimbo na kung saan mga ka-reaction ay parang napapanood ko si Swansing ngayon. Pakinggan natin ha. Mabagal ang usad ni Stella Kimbo dito dahil babalatan po siya ng buhay ni former Congresswoman party list Congresswoman Bernadette Herrera.
Madam Speaker, umaandar po yung oras.
Madam Speaker, we are checking the joint circular.
Narinig po ninyo, umaandar yung oras, hindi nagsasalita. Ganyan na ganyan po ang nangyari kay Congressman Toby Chanco. Umaandar yung oras.
Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, there's a joint circular, and there's a joint circular number 1, series of 2017, issued June 15, 2017. And I will read to you one provision, which could be a problem. And I'll read to you the provision, verbatim. The services of the contract of service and job order workers are not covered by civil service law and rules, thus not creditable as government service. They do not enjoy the benefits enjoyed by government employees, such as leave, pera, rata, and 13th month pay. So that is what the DBM has told me, but if it is specific in the solo parents law, I will support you, Madam Speaker, Your Honor.
Yes, Madam Speaker, because a mere joint memorandum circular isn't enough para may batas tayo, bagong
Yes.
pasa yung batas, mas latest
Yes.
yung batas. So we have to follow that. That's why we have to put it in the special provision. I know that's what the problem is. Walang employee-employer relationship, si job order at saka si contract of service. But we should have thought of that before we passed the law. But we passed the law and signed by the President. So we have to honor the law.
That is correct. I tend to agree with you. So, definitely, hindi tayo papayag na a joint circular will trump the law. So, paglalaban po natin yan, Madam Speaker.
I will submit a proposal for a special provision so that all agencies, national government agencies, recognizes this, working in the public sector. They have
Diyan po mga kareaksyon, nagkakagulo sila para tulungan po itong si Stella Kimbo dahil hindi po niya masagot-sagot itong si Congresswoman Bernadette Herrera. Ito po.
Today, it now refers to balances of any etc. So today, in other words, hindi na siya kinocompute for all. Yun na ngayon ang practice ng DBM. So if there is a number that you have in mind, for example, do you wish to know unutilized appropriations for the entire government? Is that what you wish to know?
Madam Speaker, parang di naman po nagbabago yung definition ng overall savings. Yung savings naman talaga is as you said. Yun ang definition ng savings natin. At kaya nire-reflect yun. Kasi ito yung mga hindi nagagamit, like you said. And then nire-report kasi yun and it's being transferred to other agencies. Ang sa akin, I'm looking for a repertorial. They have to report it to us, just like before. For example, ang overall savings natin in 2020 is 3.5 billion. That's why it's also significant eh. And then for all those savings...
Tingnan po natin si Swansing.
I'm sorry to disagree, but public funds is not an internal matter. Kasi walang madadagdag kung walang binawas. So yun lang po ang hinihingi ko, pakita lang kung saan binawas at saan dinagdag.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know.
Ano yung binawas at ano yung dinagdag? So bakit hindi po natin magawa yun? Di ba 7,000 pages, babasahin natin isa-isa tapos hahanapin natin alin yung tumaas, alin yung bumaba.
Noted on that, we will take that into consideration as we move forward with the reforms. The Honorable Toby Chanco from the Independent Bloc.
Dito po makikita na po natin kung sino ang pinaka kung sino po yung tinatawag nating worse. Worse ba si Kimbo o worse si Swansing? Ang bagong Kimbo ay si Swansing.
Yes, Madam Chair. The highlight of the President's SONA was nung sinabi na mahiya naman kayo, initiative, errata, for the boys SOP. So ang initiative at errata ay nanggagaling po yan sa Kongreso. Kaya nga medyo nahirapan si Sec. Ralph na sagutin kung paano nabawasan yung iba dahil talagang Kongreso po may alam yan. At dalawang pagkakataon po yan, sa BICAM at sa small committee. So I would like to ask the Chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the small committee for 2025. Wait, bakit gumagalaw yung oras ko? Hindi naman kasama yung sagot.
O di ba? Oras din ang problema ni diyan ni Congressman Toby Chanco, katulad po ng nangyari po kay Congresswoman Bernadette Herrera. Pakinggan po natin ha.
My first question is with regards to the status of contract of service and job contracts since DBCC naman ito dun sa special provision. Madam Sponsor, yung regarding din sa inquiry ko before on solo parents, because on our law, sabi, they are entitled. Kahit job contract sila, job order or contract of service sila, they are entitled to the 7-day leave. So I think this is an opportunity. Pwede bang isama natin sa special provision para i-clarify sa lahat ng agencies that they are qualified for the parental leave of 7 days. Madam Speaker, umaandar po yung oras.
Narinig po niyo yun? Yung oras din ang problema kasi inuubos po nila yung oras, hindi nila sinasagot. Hindi po nila sinasagot. O di ba, problema ni Attorney Toby, ni Senator Congressman Toby Chanco, yung oras umaandar, hindi sumasagot. O di ba ngayon, itong si Madam Bernadette Herrera, former congresswoman, party list congresswoman, ganun din ang problema niya. Nakuha po ninyo mga kareaksyon. Yung oras, nanguubos po ng oras. Parang sa basketball. Pag lamang ka na, uubusin mo na lang yung oras. Ganoon. O ito ha, pakinggan po natin.
Madam Speaker, we are checking the joint circular.
O, nagkakagulo po ha. Si Kimbo hindi nila alam yung tanong, yung paano sasagutin si former representative party list representative Bernadette Herrera. Okay? Ganyan na nangyayari ngayon dito sa Kongreso sa katauhan naman ni Toby Chanco. Ito po. Oh, tuloy ha. Ayan, nakikita po niya, ang dami niyang amuyong sa likod niya, oh. Hindi nila masagot eh. Problema kasi yan. Kapag may tinatago, talagang mahirapan ka. Oh, di ba? Ang dami niyang mga coaches. Oh. Ayan, oh. Turuan niyo. Oh, di ba? Ang dami niyang tagaturo.
Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker, there's a joint circular, and there's a joint circular number 1, series of 2017, issued June 15, 2017. And I will read to you one provision which could be a problem.
Sandali lang po. Balikan natin si Toby Chanco ngayon. Tingnan natin kung ano reaction niya ni Swansing, ang bagong Kimbo. Si Swansing mga kareaksyon ng bagong Kimbo. Ito po. Talagang pinupuno po niya ng Swansing ang First District of Nueva Ecija. Yan po namumroblema rin, oh. namumroblema rin sila, wala pong pagkakaiba sa nangyari kay Stella Kimbo. Ang dami niyang mga coaches. Ayan o, talagang Stella Kimbo ang datingan mga kareaksyon. O yan o, wala sagot eh. O, nakikita po ninyo, ayan o. O. Ayan o. O. Diba?
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to...
No. Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is of public record. This is in accordance with our rules. That all committee reports must be given to all members. And that shouldn't be taken against my time because you're telling me that, teka, balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi nila that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no?
Diba? Galit na po dyan si Toby ha. Si Toby po kalaban ninyo. Pero sila na po, nagsasabong na sila. Okay lang yan. Ha? Hindi po natin kakampiyan si Toby ha. Pero okay pa rin yan kasi nagsasabong-sabong sila na. Oh. Diba, hindi na natin kailangan mag-effort. Oo, sila nagbabanatan na dyan. Ha? Sila na po nagbabanatan na. Okay lang yan. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan, Congressman Toby. O, diba? O, ito naman ha. Balikan natin si Kimbo mga kareaksyon ha. Balikan natin si Kimbo kung ano po ang ginawa niya dito mga kareaksyon. Kasi wala pong pagkakaiba kapag nagsisinungaling na hirapan sumagot. O, ito po.
And I'll read to you the provision, verbatim. The services of the contract of service and job order workers are not covered by civil service law and rules, thus not creditable as government service. They do not enjoy the benefits enjoyed by government employees, such as leave, pera, rata, and 13th month pay. So that is what the DBM has told me, but if it is specific in the solo parents law, I will support you, Madam Speaker, Your Honor.
Yes, Madam Speaker, because a mere joint memorandum circular isn't enough para may batas tayo, bagong pasa yung batas, mas latest yung batas. So we have to follow that. That's why we have to put it in the special provision. I know that's what the problem is. Walang employee-employer relationship, si job order at saka si contract of service. But we should have thought of that before we passed the law. But we passed the law and signed by the President. So we have to honor the law.
That is correct.
Ito po kasi mga reaksyon. Kaya sinasabi ko po sa inyo, kaya pinapakita ko po ito mga ka-reaction. Welcome back. Akala ko wala nang Stella Kimbo eh. Akala ko meron po mga ka-reaction sa katauhan ni Swansing. Tuloy
Tend to agree with you. So definitely hindi tayo papayag na a joint circular will trump the law. So paglalaban po natin yan, Madam Speaker.
I will submit a proposal for a special provision so that all agencies, national government agencies, recognizes this. Even the DOJ during the IRR acknowledges, kasama sa batas siya eh. So dapat i-implement po natin para sa mga solo parents na job order and contract of service. Sige
po, Madam Speaker. Sorry. Could you kindly repeat?
Yes. No, I will submit...
Halatado po na si Stella Kimbo ay talagang umikot ang kanyang alam nyo na, di ba? Balikan natin si kasi dito po mga ka-reaction, pina-flashback ko lang sa inyo yung mga nakarang taon na kung saan mga ka-reaction, meron po tayong bagong Stella Kimbo sa katauhan ni Swansing. Ito po.
Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3, efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
This representation was not the appropriations chair at the time. So the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was not the
Let's ask the
appropriations
committee
chair.
chair. Let's ask
at
the
the
committee
time.
secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 small committee report? Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic copy, dapat lahat may electronic copy. So dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba?
Meeting suspended.
So, ayan po mga ka-reaction ha. Ang ginawa po nila dahil nagugulumianan na po, sinuspende po nila yung sesyon. Oh. Pero hindi pa rin sila makakawala mga ka-reaction.
As a response to the Honorable Chanco, we will look into the records and
Madam-
look at the
Madam Chair.
particular item. The subject matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on Appropriations
No, it's
separately. So
Meron po silang tinatago pag sinabing internal matter. Hindi pwede maging internal matter yan, ma'am. Paano magiging internal matter yung small committee? Anong gagawin doon?
Madam Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
we
So
will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies as well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would
Mer-
have to look into the records.
How
May
can-
I ask exactly what you are asking for?
Walang pagkakaiba kay Stella Kimbo. Paano siya sumagot no? Ang tanong niya, meron ba o walang record? Wala? Meron? Oh, hindi makasagot. Hindi alam eh.
The small committee report of the 2025 budget. Let us just ask the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala?
Meron ba o wala? Sagot!
Simple. Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala?
The HGAB itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small
It's
committee.
not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report.
Oh, nahirapan. Wala po ha. Balikan po natin si Stella Kimbo. Para medyo nare-relax kayo ng konti mga ka-reaction. Masyado na seryoso ang usapan sa ating bayan. Puro na lang pulburon. Oh, ito ha.
Special provision para to correct lang at magkaroon ng mandate yung mga departments to actually allow the solo parents na job order and contract of service. Pinasa natin yung batas so we have to honor it. Do I have to read the special provision, Madam Speaker?
Yes,
if I may.
you can, to put it
Yeah.
on record, Madam Speaker.
Granting parental leave benefits to solo parents working in the government under job order or contract of service pursuant to Section 7 of Republic Act Number 8972 as amended by Republic Act Number 11861, otherwise known as the Expanded Solo Parents Welfare Act, a forfeitable and non-cumulative parental leave of not more than 7 working days with pay every year shall be granted to any solo parent employee regardless of employment status who has rendered service of at least 6 months. This shall apply to those who are working in the public sector under job order or contract of service. Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Speaker. Next question. So overall savings, I just noticed na after 2015, hindi na nagkaroon ng reporting. Then bumalik siya noong 2020 and 2021. Then afterwards, no more reporting again as to the overall savings of each department.
Madam Speaker, may we ask for a 1-minute suspension?
Session suspended.
Today, it now refers to balances of any released appropriations which have not been obligated as a result of any of the following: A, completion, final discontinuance, abandonment of a program, or B, implementation of measures resulting in improved systems and efficiencies, etc. So today, in other...
Ay, nako mga ka-reaction. Halatang halata po itong si Stella Kimbo na walang alam ang kukote. O ito po ang mga ka-reaction.
Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules.
Nakikita po niyo mga ka-reaction, nagpapanik. Wala pong pagkakaiba yan sa nangyari kay Stella Kimbo nung panahon po ni former Congresswoman Party List Bernadette Herrera. Na si Stella Kimbo ay meron po siyang isang batalyong mga taga-turo sa likod. Ayan, parehas na parehas po. Oh. Tapos ngayon pinupuno na niya ng mga kanyang mga pagmumuka ang kanyang distrito doon sa Nueva Ecija.
Kasi di ba kung meron, ang dali-dali naman, di ba kawala?
So the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is the Committee on Appropriations who's required to submit the committee report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAB.
No, it's not. The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like any other bill, the bill is different from the committee report. There must be a committee report included to the bill. It is not one and the same.
At the point of after the committee hearings are done, the Committee on Appropriations comes out with a committee report, and then it moves to plenary.
Ayun po mga ka-reaction, halatang pilit siyang lumulusot. Pilit gusto niya lumusot. Ano ka, bulate ka ba ma'am? Bulate ka?
Which point we approve it, and the small committee work.
Talagang, bakit alam ni Tambaluslo sino yung mga ganyang style, no? Paano niya alam tusukin ang mga ganyang mga pagkatao? Mantagin mo itong si Stella Kimbo para yatang uupo pang mayor ngayon sa Marikina dahil para meron siya, meron siyang protest.
So now, the output of the Committee on Appropriations, once that is elevated to the plenary, is the HGAB.
No.
So there's no other committee report that needs to be furnished by the Committee on Appropriations apart from the HGAB
It
itself?
is not exempted from our rules, Madam Chair. Maliwanag, Section 39. Gusto nyo basahin nyo? Okay. I will ask the committee secretariat, how many meetings were held?
There were 2 meetings.
2 meetings. Did you follow, nasaan yung minutes ng meetings? Where were the meetings held? What date? Madam Chair, I can read Section 39 of our rules to make it clear that the committee report is different from the HGAB, but I don't want it to take up my time. Iba po yun eh, kasi tignan nyo yung BICAM. Di ba may BICAM report? Doon sa BICAM report, teka muna, bait umaandaw yung oras ko? Hindi pa nila natatapos yung isyong rineraise ko. Doon sa BICAM report, nakasulat, okay, yung BICAM report, pinipintasan natin. Pero yung BICAM report, may nakasulat doon kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nagdagdagan. Dito sa HGAB, wala tayong makita kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan.
With the indulgence of Representative Chanco, so the COMSEC is currently looking into the specific request as well as the level of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes, I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the
5 minutes, 5 minutes. Gusto ko 5 minutes. No more than that.
other questions
Yes,
while
but-
they're working on
Yes,
this.
I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay,
O, di ba? Wala eh. Kasi kung meron bubunutin lang eh, balikan natin si Stella Kimbo mga ka-reaction ha, para ma-refresh kayo, para medyo mawala-wala yung mga problema ninyo. Lalong-lalo na po yung mga nasa, yung mga OFW natin ha, sa ibang bansa ha. Shoutout sa inyo, alam ko nag-enjoy kayo, may bago tayong Stella Kimbo. Relax lang po kayo dyan mga ka-reaction, I will take care the rest.
The words, hindi na siya kinocompute for all. Yun na ngayon ang practice ng DBM.
O, di ba? Parehas. Walang pagkakaiba ang style.
So if there is a number that you have in mind, for example, do you wish to know unutilized appropriations for the entire government? Is that what you wish to know?
Madam Speaker, parang di naman po nagbabago yung definition ng overall savings. Yung savings naman talaga is, as you said, yun ang definition ng savings natin. At kaya nire-reflect yun. Kasi ito yung mga hindi nagagamit, like you said. And then nire-report kasi yun eh. And it's being transferred to other agencies. Ang sa akin, I'm looking for repertorial. They have to report it to us, just like before. For example, ang overall savings natin in 2020 is 3.5 billion. That's why it's also significant eh. And then for all those savings, nakalagay dyan kung saan tinransfer sa bawat agency. Pag sinabi mo kasing savings, transfers from each agency na transfer ang savings ng bawat isang ahensya, pupunta ngayon sa overall savings. And then yung overall savings, it's a transfer to.
Madam Speaker, it can be provided, but they don't have the figures now.
Madam Speaker, yun po yung point ko. Bakit nawawala yung report ng overall savings? Dapat nakikita po natin yon dito sa Kongreso kasi savings po yan na hindi na po alam ng Kongreso kung saan napupunta. And it's part of our obligation to know where these savings are. Saan nanggaling? Kasi that's where we see how efficient ang ating mga departments. So baka pwede pong isubmit sa atin today para makita po natin.
Ang pagkakaiba, Madam Speaker, today is that the agencies themselves use their own savings. So, they can modify on their own. So, hindi katulad dati na nililipat sa ibang ahensya.
And does this mean hindi siya nire-report sa...
No, pero, yes. So, but as a result of that change in practice, kaya nagkaroon din sila ng ibang pagre-report, but tama po yung observation ninyo, and I think that is a very important point. Hindi naman dahil nag-iba ng practice ay nawalan na sila ng responsibilidad na mag-report. So, because of that, they will submit the report on savings. They will provide the report as... Okay, but henceforth, they will include you will include it in the BSF. Moving forward. But you will submit within the week to the Committee on Appropriations and we will copy furnish all members.
Yes, please, Madam Speaker, kasi napaka-importante po na alam natin how efficiently they're using. Napakadaling mag-declare ng savings kung bibigyan natin ng blanket authority ang departments to use the savings and use it whenever they want or augment something without passing through Congress. E di, i-bloat na lang palagi yung bidding, yung ABC. Tapos magdadive. You know, this is not acceptable, should not be acceptable to us. That's why we need those reports. Kaya sana po, within the week, or sana nga within the day or hanggang tomorrow para naman po mapag-aralan, Madam Speaker.
O di ba? Si Congressman Toby Chanco, mga ka-reaction, gusto niya in 5 minutes. Eh mabait pa nga itong si si former party list representative Bernadette Herrera eh. Within a week pa yun sa kanya eh. Eh di ba nakikita po ninyo? Parehong-pareho mga ka-reaction. Abangan po ninyo yung part 2 Abangan po niyo yung part 2. Part 1 po ito, masyadong mahaba eh. Abangan po niyo yung part 2. Ito, gagawin ko po yung part 2 mga ka-reaksyon. Duterte! 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 Abangan po niyo yung part 2. Nandiyan po, pindutin po ninyo. Part 2, nakasulat po dyan. Part 1 po ito, yung part 2. Oh, mas malupit po yung part 2.